Hey there, Stackers. It's Mr. Stacker, and we're going to talk about goals. What is a good goal when stacking silver? So, I'll just kind of share with you kind of my goals, how I do it, kind of how I structure it. And I'm no financial advisor. I'm just a dude on YouTube. So, just for entertainment purposes. But hey, maybe you'll learn something. Maybe you'll enjoy it. Maybe you'll like this video, subscribe, and all that fun stuff, right? Who knows? Who cares? But either way, I'm going to share with you my opinions. Maybe you like it. So, what is a good goal when stacking silver? I always start with small goals. Start small, right? Take it like I want 10 ounces and then 100 ounces, then 200, then 300, and then just keep stacking and growing from there. And while I'm giving you guys this breakdown, as you can see, I'm showing you all kinds of different maples that I've been able to acquire in my stacking journey so far. And start small. That's definitely where you can start seeing some small wins right away. You know, get your first 10 ounces, then get your first 100 ounces or 50 ounces, right? And then just keep stacking from there, right? The next thing is stay consistent, right? If you want to plan on getting silver, say monthly, to be able to add to your stacks. This one here is a 1990, a couple milk spots on it, but it's still got the nice little younger queen profile on there, which I thought was pretty cool, and I picked up a couple of those. I got another one right here. Yep, I got this one's a little nicer on the profile, a little bit less on the milk spots, right? But stay consistent, right? If you plan to do it monthly, you plan to do it weekly, stick to it. And you'll see, regardless of how many or how much you get, but stay consistent. I would say that's one of the greatest ways to be able to hit your goals very consistently. And look where you can gain and save, right? What I mean by that is really look at areas that you may be spending a little bit too much on, right? You can cut back a little and start using that to stack silver. So you may not even have to really add more income. You can just diversify some of your income, which is kind of what I do. Next, a lot of things I can do is really be patient for an opportunity. I did another video on the 5 favorite ways to stack silver, right? My 5 favorite places that I get silver from. So definitely check that out as far as how I acquire my opportunities where I can get deals like close to spot or even spot. And I show you guys how I do it and where I get them from. So definitely check out those videos if you have a couple minutes. And then grow your goals, right? Once you've hit your goals, like I said at the beginning, add more to them. So you may think you have a goal in mind, and then all of a sudden you hit it, and you're like, well, what's next? I'm done. Do I start stacking something else? Nah, man, if you hit that goal and it's still working for you, add to it. Grow that goal. So that would be my thoughts on it. What are you guys' thoughts on goal setting with silver? Is there a certain number that you're looking for to hit your, done stacking ounce number, whatever that may be? I'd love to share it with you guys, but I know I'm just going to keep growing that goal. So I will just leave it as is, and we'll continue to stack as Mr. Stacker grows. So we'll see you guys on the next one. And as always, Mr. Stacker out.